Welcome. In this short video, we are going to show you how to enroll in your first Codecademy course, in particular, the Learn JavaScript course. Once you've registered for a free Codecademy account, come to the home by clicking on either My Home or just going to codecademy.com. Once there, you have two options. You can click on Catalog and try and browse for the course you're interested in this case, Learn JavaScript. However, if you weren't seeing it here, if it didn't show up, the other way you could find it is by clicking on the magnifying glass to search and searching for the course in question. In this case, I'll type in JavaScript. Enter. This brings me to all the courses that somehow are related to JavaScript. The course we're interested in enrolling in is Learn JavaScript. Select it, and that should bring you to the syllabus of the course, the overview and the syllabus. Once you're here, you can take some time to review what the course is all about, and when you're ready to start, click the Start button. You're inside the course itself. On the left is the lesson in description with exercises. When you scroll down, you will see that at the end of the lesson, there are usually instructions for tasks for you to complete, so you can learn by doing. This particular lesson has no exercises, so we can just simply click Next to go to the next page in the course. In this lesson on the console, there are instructions and tasks for us to do to learn more about and practice that lesson. In the middle panel is the JavaScript code editor to actually do the exercise. So the instruction is telling us to say, use console.log and code in the editor your age. Now you notice that this instruction, this task, has a little empty checkbox beside it. Once I complete this activity and it's been validated to be correct, a check mark should show up, allowing me to go to the next step if there are more activities, or to proceed to the next lesson. So let's complete this exercise. Once I've completed it, I just have to click the Run button. And in the right-hand side is the output terminal window, and it printed out the number 18 as I expected. The solution was correct because the lesson has checked off the activity as done. If I had done it incorrectly, it would have not checked it off. And you can now notice that the next step is enabled, and I can see it to move to the next activity. I still can't move to the next lesson because I'm not done the second task yet. So let's do that and move to the next exercise. I'm going to click Run. Oops, there's an error. Yes, I have an error here. I haven't typed log correctly, so let's fix that and click Run. Okay, running it this time shows the results of both of my console.log statements, 18 and 52, and now there's a check mark showing up on exercise number 2. And the next button is now enabled, allowing me to go to the next lesson in the course. Thanks for watching. All the best in your journey to JavaScript.